All right, teachers, let's talk about one of the biggest challenges we face, figuring out what's really going on inside our students' heads. Today, we're going to unpack an incredible routine that helps you do just that. It's called Connect, Extend, Challenge, and it's all about making student thinking visible. You know that feeling, right? You've just finished a lesson, it felt amazing, the kids were nodding along, but you're left wondering, did that actually land? What are they really taking away from this? It can sometimes feel like their thinking is happening in a black box. Well, what if I told you there's a simple, powerful way to pry open that box? A structure that doesn't just assess understanding, but actually deepens it by bringing those hidden thoughts out into the open. That's exactly what we're diving into now. So let's meet our new best friend. It's called Connect, Extend, Challenge. And trust me, for something so powerful, it is wonderfully simple and super low prep. And get this isn't just some flash-in-the-pan idea. This routine comes straight out of Project Zero, which is part of the Harvard Graduate School of Education. So yeah, it's got some serious research and brainpower behind it. At its core, the whole idea is pretty simple. We know that real learning isn't about just, downloading new facts. It's about weaving that new information into what we already understand. This routine gives our students a clear path to do exactly that. So how does it actually work? Well, the entire routine boils down to three core questions. Think of them as the blueprint for getting students to think more deeply. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Connect, extend, and challenge. Each one of these steps has a really specific job to do. So let's break them down, one by one. First up, we have connect. This is all about activating what students already have in their brains. You're basically asking them, hey, how does this new stuff link up with something you already know? Maybe a history lesson connects to a movie they saw, or a science concept connects to something they do at home. This is the anchor point. Okay, next up is extend. After they've anchored the new info, this question pushes them to see what's actually new. What idea just stretched their thinking? This is where you get those aha moments, when a student realizes a new piece of information completely changes how they see something. It's all about recognizing that growth. And finally, my personal favorite, challenge. This is so important. It's not asking what didn't you understand. No, it's asking what are you wondering about now? This question turns confusion into curiosity. It creates new puzzles that they actually want to solve. This is where real inquiry begins. All right, the theory is great, but let's get practical. When and how can you actually roll this out in a classroom that's already packed with stuff to do? The beauty of this thing is you can use it all the time. Seriously, it's the perfect way to wrap up a lesson. It's fantastic after students have read a tricky article or watched a video. You had a guest speaker? Great, use this to debrief. It's even powerful enough to synthesize an entire unit of study. And you can adapt it to whatever you're doing. You can do a quick whole group share on the whiteboard, have kids hash it out in small groups. It makes a fantastic prompt for a journal entry or a quick exit ticket. The main goal is just to make their thinking public so everyone can learn from it. So when you put it all together, why is this simple 3-step routine so incredibly effective? Let's just quickly hit the highlights. Here's the bottom line. It flips a switch in your students' brains. They go from being passive listeners who just absorb information to being active thinkers who are wrestling with ideas, questioning them, and really making that knowledge their own. And that brings us right back to where we started. This routine, Connect, Extend, Challenge, it systematically closes that gap between what we teach and what they think. It takes what's invisible and makes it a vibrant, visible, and super valuable part of your classroom culture. So really, the only question left is the one for you. What amazing ideas, what surprising connections, and what really cool puzzles are just waiting to be discovered by your students? Give it a try, and I promise you, you're going to be amazed at what you find.